to talk of friendship. In our introduction, we talk of what the definition of friendship, the characteristics of a good friendship, and the type of friendship. First, by defining friendship, a friendship is a bond between two people that is emotionally tied by a sense of care. That is emotionally tied by a sense of care, support with similar value. Yeah, that is the definition of friendship. Mean that a friendship, the bonds between them, they are like covalent bond that is very strong. We have a metallic bond, but you know that among these various type of bond, is covalent bond that is very strong. So this is a definition of friendship. Mean that their relationship is always so strong. It's so strong that to break it, it's not always like easy to break the relationship they have between them. Then we have now the various qualities of a good friendship. We have firstly trustworthiness. A good friend is someone that you can give your secret. He can keep your secret without any problem. You cannot just like go and share your secret with someone else. You can't share your secret with someone else, but you always keep a secret. You keep them all. When you tell him or her the secret, you always make sure that you keep them all zip. Yeah, keep them all zip, maintaining the zipness without opening the unzipness. Yeah, I can also say with sometimes, yeah, it's not like a bad friend that you tell him the secret, you just like trust him the secret, and you tell him any secret of you will grow out and spread. But in a good friendship, always maintain secret. I always keep them all zim. We have another two, the number two characteristic is that the true friendship is honest. The true friendship is make sure that it will always tell you what did you wrong. Always maintain mistake. Even if it may hurt you, but it must always tell you your mistake in such a way that you must correct your mistake. Yeah, you must tell you your mistake. The second person of friendship. A friendship, the third person is that a friendship is normally like a family member. Normally like a family member, because the bond relationship that is between you guys is between them is more strong in such a way that to break it's not easy. So it's like family member. Another characteristic of a friendship is that a good friendship is sincere. A good friendship is sincere. Yeah, sincere in anything is win. Another fourth characteristic is that a good friendship is loyal. Loyal means a good friendship help you to overcome your mistake. To overcome your mistake in every area of your group. The way you overcome your mistake can help you to improve. Example in school can help you improve your level of grade in school. It can help you even in the moment of bad school, comfort you. Even in the moment of badness, comfort you, to tell you story, yeah, to help you and do any other thing to you. Another characteristic of a good friendship is non-judgmental. A good friend doesn't judge. A good friend is always like, a good friend doesn't judge. It doesn't judge you. It also help you to overcome your mistake. Then the fourth characteristic, another characteristic of a quantity or characteristic of a good friendship is that a good friend is forgiveness. The good friend always forgive easily. He doesn't have grudges in mind. He always forgive. Yeah, and a good friendship is also always attentive in anything he's doing. Attentive in such a way that if the good friendship see your faces, any change in your face can really help you to detect what is going wrong with you. You come near you ask you your problem, you just ask you what is wrong with you, because from your face can detect what is really wrong with you, to comfort you, to give you advice, even like attention in such a way that maybe you break up with your boyfriend or a girlfriend, you comfort you to say maybe it wasn't yours, maybe yours is coming on the way, that you shouldn't take it to like disturb you too much in mind. we try to comfort you, try to give you advice. So we go now to the various type of friendship. Because we have most friendship. Most friendship is a friendship that someone expect big. It's a friendship that someone can when something happen big to you. When something happen big to you, it is the definition of most friendship. It's when someone counts when something big happen to you. So we go now to second type of friendship, which is trust friendship. It is when somebody always like when somebody's it is a situation in when someone who like when he's sitting near you to be comfortable, anything doing, to be glad to be always with you. And the third type is that it's a friendship. The third type of friendship is rough friendship. The rough friendship now is talking of the rough friendship is talking of when a long time friendship, maybe you were a friend to someone that you met anywhere. You met a friend everywhere. Now you can say that greeting my friend, my old time friend. You can say anything apart from that. You say I'm greeting my old time friend. It has been long. Always like that now. You just like smile with the person when you see the person. You know that like having that intimate relationship with the person again. Then we have the fourth type of friendship again was the fourth type of friendship. The fourth type of friendship. The first type of friendship is just a friendship. Just friendship is just like a friendship that you met in school. A friendship between your daughter or your child with the teacher. Yeah, that's all I have to say is this evening. Thank you.